The United States, one of the largest, most powerful, and most influential countries in the world. Its vast geographical expanse, advanced economy, technological superiority, and diverse culture make it unique. Today, we will learn more about this superpower. Geographical distribution and population. The United States is located in North America and is made up of 50 states. It is the third largest country in the world and ranks third in terms of population. Its major cities include New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Houston. History and the path to freedom. On July 4, 1776, the United States gained independence from British colonial rule. The Civil War of 1861 to 1865 ended slavery and united the nation. It emerged as an economic and military power at the beginning of the 20th century. Economy and technology. The United States is the world's top economy, with a GDP of more than $25 trillion. It is the world's largest technology center, home to companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla. Wall Street is the control center of the global economy, where the New York Stock Exchange is located. Culture and lifestyle. The United States is a multicultural country, where people immigrate from different parts of the world. Hollywood is the world's largest entertainment center, dominating the film and TV industry. In music, jazz, hip-hop, rock, country, and pop are popular around the world. Among sports, baseball, basketball, American football, and ice hockey are very popular. Politics and military power. The United States operates the most powerful military in the world. It is a key member of NATO and plays an important role in various international organizations. The United States has enormous influence over diplomatic and economic decisions around the world. The United States is not just a country, it is one of the driving forces of the modern world. Its diversity, strength, and innovative spirit make it unique. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.